Guys, welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today I'm going to show you how to make a scratch, easy, moist yellow cake. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need to put your easy yellow cake together. We have some milk here, and I have like 3/4 cups of milk. I already measured off some flour, and I like to use cake flour. We have 3 eggs, 1 stick of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar. We have some leavening agents here. I have some baking powder and some salt. And we also going to use some vanilla extract. Let's get baking. Okay, we have a few things to take care of before we get started. We're going to start by taking our flour and our baking soda, our baking powder. Add it right into your flour, as well as your salt. Gonna get that whisk in. This works fine, and if you want to sift your flour, feel free to do that as well. But this whisk works just fine. Next, we're going to go ahead and prepare our 9-inch pans. You could use some shortening and flour to coat your pans. I'm going to be using this baking spray. Easy peasy. We're looking for easy peasy. Just going to spray them really good. I'm going to add a pre-cut parchment paper to the bottom of that pan. And now all we have to do is get our cake together and bake them. Make sure to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to start by adding our softened butter to our mixing bowl. Along with our sugar. And we're going to mix these up until they're fluffy. Slowly. I tell you, once you become accustomed to using a stand mixer, you forget how intense using a hand mixer is. The stand mixers has spoiled us. All right, we have our butter and sugar blended well together. It is fluffy, and now we're going to add our eggs one at a time. And I've already cracked them in this bowl here. Guys, this is a great base for your yellow cake. We're going to go ahead and give it another scrape down. Now, if you want your yellow to be more pronounced, take you a few drops of yellow food coloring and add straight to that batter, and you will get a deeper yellow color. I'm going to go ahead and get my vanilla extract in there. Use the flavor of your choice, but today I am using vanilla extract. We're down to our dry ingredients. We're going to add half our mixture. We're going to blend, and then we're going to blend, and then we're going to alternate it with our milk. and get half your milk in there. We're going to add some more flour, and we're going to leave just a little bit of flour because you want to start with flour and end with flour. So we're going to leave a little bit so we can end with flour. And just like that, you have one of the moistest yellow cakes ever. If you're looking for a deeper yellow color, just take you some food coloring. And this is yellow. I know it looks red or orange. And put you a few drops. And 2 is enough. And you will get that deeper yellow color. We're going to go ahead and get these into our cake pans, and we're going to bake them for about 20 minutes. I say 15 to 20 minutes. It's according to your oven. Make sure you go from edge to edge with your cakes so that they can be distributed out evenly. Go lightly give them a tap to take any of those air bubbles out. And we're going to go ahead and get these into our 350 degrees oven, and we're going to let them bake 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, our cakes are complete, and they bake for 15 minutes. Take a look at that. I've already taken them out and they're cool. We're going to go ahead and flip them out. And here you have your beautiful yellow cakes. You can choose the icing of your choice. So today we're not going to icing these up. We're just going to take them and simply dust them with a little bit of powdered sugar. Sometimes that is all you need. Let's go ahead and get us a cut. So check it out. Absolutely beautiful. It is so soft, so moist and tender. Add your favorite icing, and you will be the star of the party. See that? Look how it springs back. Very nice. Yep. Absolutely amazing. Guys, Guys, thank you so much for watching. It has been my absolute pleasure to share with you on how I make this wonderful and moist and easy yellow cake. You will not be disappointed with this recipe. It's easy, it's simple, and it's good. So with that being said, I'm going to see you next time right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.